Yeah, hello. Here we'll just see how exactly we need to deal with the RealView graphics. Okay. Uh, if you have the multiple versions like 2019, 2021, 2022, and 2020 into account, it'll be having the real graphics we've activated in any of the versions. Let's say higher version 2022 or 2021. But if I open the 2019, you won't find the option here, the real view graphics. So to overcome this, what to do? First thing is you can just directly go to the Chrome. You can search RealView graphics in SolidWorks, which version you are facing the issue. Select it. Go to this RealView graphics 2019 help. And there, the latest information about the graphics card support. Just click on this link. It will take you to the patches. Okay. So these patches will help you to enable the performance enhancements into the graphics cards. So if you just click on this particular patch, let's say 2019 patch, the patch will be downloaded. You just need to run this. Just uh, I have already installed it just now, so you can just repair it. Once you do that, the patch will be automatically added. So if you do that much, you'll be having your RealView graphics added into account, and you can smoothly work on it. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned.